Hey guys, it's Charlie, the founder of TheGuideliner, and today I'm going to take you through a full tutorial on how to best apply your guide liners, the eyeliner that literally applies itself. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be using the Black and Skinny from our classic collection. So open your Guide Me kit, you have your instruction card, and you also have 3 free extra guide liners for practice, 30 guide liners themselves, bamboo charcoal infused applicators, your transparent wing wand, and your scissors, which are optional for customization, but I like to use my guide liners the way they are. Before we start, we recommend cleaning your eyelids with either an oil-free cleanser or swiping over some toner. And you're also going to want to grab some water. Take a set of guide liners and gently bend them until the tip pops out. Then grab your wing wand and gently peel off the guide liner coating. L is for your left eye and R is for your right eye. Without pulling your skin taut, gently place your guide liner where you want your wing to be. Check the placement in the mirror. If you're not happy with it, take it off and try again. Once you've nailed your placement, fish out any lashes using your wing wand and press it into place. Take an applicator and drench the pointed side in water by holding it in there for a few seconds. Dab your applicator all over the back of your guide liner and keep going until the backing easily slides off. Don't try and drag it off. Then use the reverse end side of your applicator to dab it dry. And again, don't be a drag, dab it. So if at this point you think your guide line is a little bit too shiny, just grab our eye matter, the mattifying balm, and rub your ring finger over the top. It might look a little bit white, but it will dry clear. And gently dab it all over the top of your guide liner until you have your desired matte look. And then the final touch, grab a liquid eyeliner that I know you all have lying around, we all do, and just join your guide liner to your lash line to finish off your makeup look. So your eyeliner is now done for up to 3 days. And if you're wanting to remove them, just dab baby oil or anything oil-based over your guide liners and then gently wipe away with a wipe or a cotton pad. I truly hope you love your eyeliner as much as we do. So welcome to a world with eyeliner where you no longer have to wing it.